I was sent this set of two blades for a lawn mower that goes on a John Deere tractor. And this is for mowing. These go on a 42-inch deck. And it's a very heavy, solid, thick piece of steel. These are made out of one piece of steel. They're very thick. I'll give you a measurement here. Comes in 3/8, just underneath a half an inch, a quarter of an inch. Feel very good and sturdy. You've got a cutting edge here. You can sharpen this over time as they get dull. Just use your flap disc on a grinder. Going to want to measure, make sure you got the right ones for your 42-inch deck. These come in at 21¼ inches long and 2 3/4 inches wide. And then you've also got the center hole here, which is just a circle. Doesn't have any ribs on it or anything. And it comes in at about 3/4 inch, just about 3/4 inch. So you're going to want to make sure you got the right part numbers to match up to your John Deere tractor. That's what these primarily are used for, and they're solid. So definitely would recommend. You're going to make sure you put them the right side up. You got the cutting edges here. Going to make sure those cutting edges are down. So as it's spinning, you're cutting like this. You want to make sure that you don't get them inverted. That won't work. The way they have these twists, this is for airflow. So that way it lifts the grass up so it can be cut. So that the airflow is constantly pulling the grass up and can be cut. Hey, I hope this was helpful. I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.